What's up, gang? Welcome to Whac-A-Mole's Arcade. My brother picked up this Marvin the Martian digital alarm clock at the flea market today, and it doesn't work. I checked it out on eBay, and they're going for about 50 bucks. It was made in 1993. Basically, I mean, it's pretty cool looking. The bad thing is, the batteries have exploded. What do you think? Can I fix it?
I'm Walter Day, the father of esports, and you're watching Whac-A-Mole's Arcade.
And you know how long it's been since I played Whac-A-Mole?
I'm getting ready to attack, fanny pack attached. Tokens are all stacked, got the mallet in my grasp. Waiting for the moles, hiding in their holes. Scoreboard keeping tally, I'll be playing till they close now. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. I'm a mallet master, a single-fisted blaster. You can ask my baby, it starts slow then gets faster. I'm a record setter.
Got this battery compartment all cleaned up. Not perfect. I mean, you can still see some stuff in here. I don't have the perfect tool for that at the moment, but it's good enough, at least good enough for connection. There aren't any spots here, which normally if it was that green kind of corrosion, you would see that on the tabs here, and then you probably would see it on the board here, but that looks okay. So I don't think we have any issues in the inside other than it's a little dirty. So I'll need to come back and clean that up at some point. But let's just throw some batteries in it and see what happens. Like I said, this type of corrosion isn't as bad as what I normally deal with, so it might have just need to be cleaned out and throw the batteries out, which isn't very good for the video. But if you have electronics like this and the new batteries are the ones that exploded, you're in a lot better luck than you were if it was pre-1990 or so. Let's see. I know me watching me screw these screws in is just really exciting. But there wasn't much to the repair on this one. Thought we'd at least have to solder some new wires on, and it's all ready. I got the soldering iron out, preheated. I think if anything else, we're just gonna have to clean these connections a little bit more. There's just no evidence of any kind of battery damage on the inside there. Let's get this and get one more in here. I got some cheap Dollar Tree batteries like I usually do to test these guys. I don't recommend leaving them in any kind of game or electronics that you're trying to use. I just use them for testing. I know they're not going to last long. When they go bad, after I test 5 or 6 things, I don't feel as bad. Okay, so let's get the batteries here. Like I said, here's the weird thing I was talking about. Usually these alternate. You'd have a spring here, a spring in the middle, and then a spring down here at the bottom. I don't know if it needs. I saw a little motor in there. Maybe the motor needs a little bit more than the alarm clock itself. I think most alarm clocks, what do they take? 1 battery, 1 AA at the most. Okay, so we want to go this way, this way, this way. Okay. I'm not going to worry about putting a screw in here because I don't know if it works yet. I just have batteries in it. All right. Well, look at that. We have a time. All right. There's our date, seconds. Okay. Oh, this must be the alarm. So let's leave that at 1. How do we change it? No, that's not what I want to do. should I add? 3 minutes. Okay. What's this do?
Wake up, Earthling! You haven't got all night here.
Oh, we're not on camera. Well, he didn't pop out anyway. I guess we'll see if that motor works. We got a couple minutes here. Let's see if I can get this positioned a little better. So we're at 2 whole minutes to waste and talk. What are we going to talk about? I don't know. Give me a second. I'll come back whenever it's about 30 seconds away. Getting pretty close here. 30 seconds or so probably. Try to rearrange the lighting. No matter what, I'm going to blow out the time. It does say, okay, there we go, 102. I know he's going to pop up, so I want to get him close enough to be in frame. And, well, I guess I have a second. Next, I bought this little Nintendo thing off of Wish. I'm going to review. It was only $3, so we'll see how funny that is. I'll probably film that right after this. Have that posted the next day. Well, the next day we don't have anything fun to post. It's got to be getting close. I'm surprised the thing actually showed up in one piece. I expected it to be falling apart. It didn't come with batteries, so we'll see how it works. Okay, 103. Well, did I not set the alarm? I guess I didn't do it right. 103. 1 a.m. Are we at p.m.? But we're at p.m. Let's see if... Alright, well, let me figure this out. I'll be right back. Let's see what we're in for here. So, let me see this on camera. Let's go ahead and dig these out. Pretty nasty. I'm going to have to clean up my tablecloth here. Ugh. I think I'm going against the spring here. Check out the other way. There you go. Nasty. Okay. Spring is there. That's weird. There's 2 one way on this side and 1 the other way on this side. It's not standard. Alright. So got the batteries out. Chuck these. That bag set up, but I didn't pull it out. Okay. So let's see. I want to see what you guys see. Alright, so we have major corrosion going on. Let's see if I can focus a little bit better. I don't know that this kind actually travels down the electrical lines though. But what I'm going to do is knock all this crap out. I'm probably just going to use this little pick here and kind of just scratch it out of there into the trash. And then I can see on this side here that there's some corrosion on the actual metal. We need to get that off so that there's continuity in between the battery and the circuit that needs the power. So it probably is what, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. It's probably 4 volts runs this thing, or 3 volts, 3.5, something like that. So let's clean this crap out of here and try to get these metal connections cleaned, and then we'll throw batteries in it. They can see if it will start up. That'd be pretty easy. Be right back. I think I got it now. I got the little alarm sound going over there. You actually hit both buttons and it comes on. So we'll see. I don't know how high he's going to pop out of this thing. Probably got like 85 seconds left in this 1 minute to go. Yeah, I saw 2 on eBay for around $45 to $49. One of them was 50
Wake
something
up,
dollars.
Earthling! You
There it
haven't
goes.
got all light year! Wake up,
Wow.
Earthling! You haven't got all light year! Wake up, Earthling! You haven't got all light year!
Okay, well, the alarm part works, but he did not pop up. So let's open her back up and check it out. So these 2 right here are going to be ground and 5 volt. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is, a nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted, I got what I wanted, and a pretty good deal on it too. Super hang on.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.